Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to manage personal tasks with Dola AI in 2026. Personal tasks can quickly become difficult to remember when you have many things to do throughout the day. Dola AI can help you organize these tasks by letting you create reminders and schedule activities using simple natural language messages. First, open Dola AI and sign in to your account. Make sure your supported calendar is connected so you can organize your personal tasks alongside your existing schedule. To add a personal task, simply tell Dola what you need to do and when you want to complete it. For example, you can say, "Remind me to pay the electricity bill tomorrow at 6 p.m. You can also create tasks for shopping, appointments, household activities, study plans, or personal projects. For example, you could say, "Remind me to buy groceries Saturday at 5 p.m. When creating a task, try to include a clear action and a specific time. Instead of saying, "Remember the documents," you could say, "Remind me to collect the documents Friday at 3 p.m. You can also use Dola to organize tasks around your existing calendar events.